In this video, I will show you step by step how to measure both DC and AC voltage using a Mastic auto range multimeter with really practical examples. By the end of this video, you will be able to measure voltage. This is a Mastic auto range multimeter. The good thing about auto range is you don't need to manually select the voltage range. It automatically detects it. Before measuring voltage, always insert the black probe in a comb and insert the red probe in V terminal. Never put the red probe in the current port when measuring voltage. It can damage your meter. Let's start with the DC voltage. Here I have a 9-volt battery. Set your multimeter to a DC voltage or V with a straight line. Now place the red probe or positive, the black probe on the negative. The multimeter shows 2.4 volts. This means the battery is weak. It's no longer providing full 9 voltage. Now let's test a 12 volt 35 ampere hour car battery. Same process, red to positive, black to negative. The reading shows a 12.31 volts. That means the battery is in a good condition. A fully charged 12 volt battery usually reads between 12.4 volt to 12.7 volts. Now let's measure AC voltage. Set your multimeter to an AC voltage, V with the wave symbol. Be very careful when working with AC, it can be dangerous. For this, I am using a transformer with input of 0 volt, 220 volt and 380 volts, and with an output of 0 volt, 12 volt, 24 volt, 100 volt, 110 volt and 220 volt. Measuring the transformer output between 0 and 12 volt gives a 12.88 volt. Between 0 volt and 24 volt gives a 25.39 volt. Between 0 volt and 110 volt gives 160.3 volt. Between 0 volt and 220 volt gives 232.9 volt. Measuring the transformer input between 0 volt and 380 volt gives 384.5 volt. Between 0 volt and 220 volt giving 222.9 volt. Always hold probes properly and avoid touching metal parts when measuring AC voltage. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe for more practical electrical tutorials, and comment below what topic should I cover next.